Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Monday, June 8, 2026. It's a new week. This is Soul Trades and let's get straight to it. Let's get to our trade recap. So I took shorts today and this is ES daily chart as you can see. And on Friday, we had a very nice bearish expansion day. Very nice expansion day. So this day I was technically, I was looking for a continuation down. Okay, so short bias from there. But another idea of my short bias actually comes from here, and this is a TPO chart. Look at this chart. Okay, this is a TPO chart. This is the TPO chart of last Friday, and this is a TPO chart of today. This white line is the TPO point of control. This yellow line is the value area low, and up here is the value area high. And these boxes that I have marked, those are called single prints. And if you don't know what a single print is, basically it's a low volume node. This TPO chart represents 30-minute time interval that market spent on a certain area. So, where market spend a lot of time, it will be longer like that. And where it spend a less time, it will be shorter like that, basically. And this is a low volume node. And as you know, low volume node acts as a continuation, acts as a resistance, or if it's below us, acts as a support, right? So market opened somewhere here. I guess it took previous day low. I don't even know what it did. But in overnight, we expanded higher. Now, since I was hoping for a continuation lower, I wanted rejection at value area low at 7465 or this single print or this single print. And if we are already up here, that would mean this day has expanded too much and I would not have traded today. But coming into market open, we were somewhere up, somewhere in here. And I can show that to you in trading view too. Just give me a second. And this is delta profile actually, not delta profile, what do you call it, footprint. And I'll come to this later on. This I only use for my confirmation for my trade, but let's go to trading view, right? So that is the idea. And now I took shorts today, as I said. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. This is the 1 minute time frame right here, right? So I marked volume profile, obviously, right? So this is Friday's volume profile. See, nice bearish expansion day. And this is overnight volume profile. And what do you see? Overnight volume profile was in a nice expansion to the high, towards high. So for me, this would be generated liquidity in ICT terms, right? But the reason I wanted short up here was this was also a point of control, as you can see in volume profile as well. So it's a point of control in volume profile 7465, right? Previous point of control. And then it is a point of control in TPO chart too, as we see earlier. So that is a very strong level, right? Another thing that gave me my short bias was, you see this volatility trigger at 7482. This is basically, think of it like this, okay? If market is above it, institutional are buying with you. And if market is below it, they are selling. Okay, they are in a sell mode. If price is above it, they are in a buy mode basically. It's not exactly that. It's kind of complicated, but in simple terms, that's what it is. And we have all of these other levels. I don't really care because I'm looking for shorts, right? So my idea was shorts because we were also underneath volatility trigger, and from a TPO point of control value area high, from volume profile point of control value area high of previous day, right? So let's get to New York Open now. So market open right here. So what I wanted initially was snap over and rejection from volatility trigger, but we never got there. And I saw a confirmation and footprint, so I just took it straight at open, no 1-2 minutes after open. But my idea was I want to go higher, tap this previous day low volume node and this volatility trigger, and then come back below, right? But that never happened. And I wanted to target, give me a second, okay? I wanted to target this price action right here, okay? Think about it, 7431 to 7422, and I'll show you why. Okay, so market opened right here. We never got up there and we started coming down. So I took my entry right there and got off right there. But as I say always, okay, my trade idea is always confirmed by footprint. Now you see why I wanted rejection up here, right? You saw the reason. Now let's go to market open because it's very important. We have very nice price action. I mean order flow with price action at market open. Oh my God, where is it? So 830 is right here. This is somewhere market open, right? And actually, let me get rid of TPO. Okay, you understood the bias from TPO, right? Let me get rid of TPO and this thing. I want to do that. Okay, so that it is side by side. You see this price action right here, this bearish move right here below market open, because market open right here at 9:30. So this price action is this order flow right here, right here. You see this order flow? That is this price action. Up here, what you can see at 190 contracts up here, we're at 7471. Our rejection zone was 65, and then nice bearish move. 190 contracts, buy contracts, but they are trapped now because market came lower. Market came lower, right? And as you can see from in this candle, before market open, there were 183 delta, but very next candle, that is 295 delta. I wanted to take a short here, but since we're so close to market open, I did not. So when market opened, right here, and we pushed higher a little bit, right? Market open here, pushed higher a little bit. We went to same general area where previous buyers were trapped at 7100 and how many contract? 190 contracts, they were trapped. And then look at this again. It's very important. 375 delta at open, right? That's, I'm guessing, open. 260 delta right here, right? Market went up. 308 delta right here, market went up. And you see this max delta? That's within this candle. It means what the max delta went to, and then this delta means what it closed at, and this means what minimum delta went to. So max delta went to 305, similar to these, right? No difference. But it closed at negative 91 with more buyers trapped. Where initial buyers were trapped. You see that? So I got my bias from TPO chart. I don't want it to go any higher. I saw absorption in the pre-market right below, right before market open. I saw market going higher, right? I saw more buyers trapped at the same location. See, 66, 65, 66, same location. I saw delta flip from 308 to negative 91 when it went up to 305. And it closed all the way up down here at 62. I think that's where my entry is. My entry was at 60, even lower. So that is where I took my entry, and I wanted to target, I told you, right? Remember this, right? This box, 31 till this. And there is a reason for that. Okay. In overnight session, where is it? Where is it? Give me a second. Is it this price action? Oh yeah, it could be this. In overnight session right here, as you can see, right? This is very choppy, right? Oh no, that's not it, my bad. Right here, this is it. Okay, because 31 level is up here, I think. Yeah, that's 31 level. So see, this is very choppy, right? So over here, when the CVD was negative, right, there were many sellers trying to push the market lower, but they could not. And this is the same level right here. You see, 31 till 23, here 31 till 13. It went a little lower, but pretty much the same thing, right? There were sellers trying to push the market down, but they were unsuccessful, and eventually market went higher. So if I am in shorts, I don't want to take it any lower than that, because here sellers had initially tried and they failed. So if we come to that location again, right here, see 2930, they failed again, and market is going higher right now. And oops, if I so see 30 31 level, market is going higher again. So I don't want to hold past that. That is why this box is so important, right? But where did that idea come from? That idea come from right here, where my sellers tried, CVD was negative, and see CVD is increasing, but they failed. So we went higher, right? And buyers came in and we went higher. So if I am in a shorts from all the way up here, I don't want to hold past that. But I got out at 39, and the reason is if I come down here, right? If I come down here, so somewhere up here is where I enter, right? As you can see, that price action, that order flow, right? And if I come down here, market came down, and we started chopping around here a little bit. That is the chopping around price. And you see delta is 475, negative 10, 89, 139, 300 delta, and again 83 delta, again negative 208 delta. So I can see that buyers are struggling in this location. And at this point, at 39 level right here, we saw positive 542 candle, 438. This also might have been some people got stopped out here, okay? But we saw this huge delta, and the market was, buyers came in, so I got out there. And my trade was for 21 points and almost 5 hour, 4.6 hour. So yeah, that was the trade of the day. And again, as I said, you could have taken this long as well, using the same bias, right? Somewhere, where is it? Somewhere up here, negative delta, positive delta, delta flip at 227. We're at our location of 3031, where initially sellers were trapped in the pre-market and take long. So you could have taken both shorts and longs. I just like shorts because we were underneath DPO value yellow, volatility trigger, all of that good stuff, right? The thing that I've already explained. So yeah, this is the trade of the day. If you guys have any questions at all, or if you guys don't understand anything at all, drop a comment. I'll try and make some other videos, or I'll try and explain. This is my model. Thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in next video.